natin ngayon. Ano ang kasama pag nag-apply ka sa AAP, Automobile Association of the Philippines? Nag-renew tayo for another year. And ano bang makukuha mo doon sa membership kit na papadala nila sa'yo? Alright, so mabilis ang video lang to. So ito yung pinadala sa akin for another year. Yan. So ang kasama sa kit, tingnan natin, is syempre yung ID, no? So annual ID, meron ako yung luma, so papalitan nila ng bago. So as you can see here, I think Caltex, no? May discount or something dyan. Then of course QR, then you have to sign the card para pag kailangan mo ng service ng AAP, you just show them. They will assist you sa roadside assistance. Next is yung mga hotline nila. So card that you can put inside your car para pag emergency may reference number ka na agad na tatawagan. And you know you're right, no? As a motor vehicle driver. Ayan, sulat dyan. Okay, para pag nahuli ka, pwede mong kausapin siguro enforcer about your rights. Next is, ito, wala ako nito last year. Stickers that you can also lagay sa windshield ng inyong mga kotse. Okay, na naka-register sa AAP na paggagamitan ng roadside assistance. So, 1, then there's 2. No, ilagay natin to sa windshield. Of course, the receipt. So I paid for 1 year. I paid 2,218 for 1 year. Pag mas matagal kayong nag-member, so I think 3 years yata, is mas makakamura kayo instead of 2,218 times 3. Maliless pa siya. Just forget the amount on how much, but yan. Yan yung binayaran ko for a year. Then if all is okay for this year, medyo kabado ko kung yung sasakyan natin na naka-register medyo siya, medyo sirain na because of the age, then pakakuha tayo ng mas mahabang taon kasi we're using a very classic car. Confirmation of coverage, so ayan, accidental and disablement is up to 300,000 limit. Medical reimbursement is 30,000 pesos. The document is not transferable. Then andyan yung mga exclusion. I am covered under the group personal accident as underwritten by OONA Insurance, formerly MAPFRE Insurance. So yun yung kasama dun sa binayaran. Experience ko lang, nagamit ko na siya last year. So yung binayaran kong 2,200, one time I encountered a vehicle breakdown. Wala akong binayaran. I asked yung ibang towing agency. Kaya ko sana kung hindi ako nag-AAP, it's around 6,000 pesos. Plus yung may minimum sila sa kilometer, then add ka doon. Pero dito totally wala akong binayaran. Naghintay lang ako, they coordinated it. Ayun, may nag-tow sa akin hanggang sa bahay. Yung sasakyan. Maayos naman. Tatanungin nila anong klase ng sasakyan, gaano kababa para alam kung anong towing truck na dadali nila. And that's it. So kita nyo, latest update on AAP Emergency Roadside Assistance. Meron sila sa NLEX, SLEX. No? Pwede rin kayong magpa-member online. Yun lang, quick video. If you have a vehicle, classic cars, or sa tingin nyo madaling masira, register kayo sa AAP. Sulit to. Not necessarily gusto nyo masira yung sasakyan nyo sa daan. Insurance to eh. At least hindi kayo kakaba-kaba sa daan na mapapabayaan kayo pag nasiraan. Meron agad na tatakbo sa inyo na kumpanya para ito yung sasakyan nyo. And most of the time, tulungan din kayo dun sa mga initial troubleshooting ng sasakyan. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Peace.